Hi guys, welcome back to the Diagnostic World YouTube channel. So we get a lot of, well, I don't say we get a lot, but we get a few customers coming to us who have bought maybe something like the VAWS, one of the VAWS series, so version 1, 2, 3 or 4, for their VW, either Transporter, Caravelle, Crafter, something like that. One of the van ranges basically. And people are coming to us and they're saying, you know, I've bought this tool for this vehicle and I'm just getting like an error every time I try to connect to the vehicle. And what we think is happening, or well, what we know is happening, is that people are clicking into diagnostics, and I'm going to show you how to get around this. And what they're doing is they're scrolling through the menu and they see, oh, VW, right, so that's where I need to be. So I'll select that, just get past the software, and then it goes vehicle identify, and we can click on read. So it reads the VIN number, and click OK. And then it says vehicle unidentified, please select the vehicle info manually. So then you go to vehicle select and you go through all of the options. I mean, there's 182 here, but they're finding that the Transporter just isn't there at all, or the Crafter just isn't there at all. And it's pointless me going through all of these, because what you need to do, and I hope this will help people, you need to just completely back out of this. So let's say we're going back to the home screen. In fact, what I'll do is I'm just going to go to setup. I'm just going to turn the buzzing sound off because it's really quite annoying. But if you are interested in this tool, I'll pop the link in the description below this video. I'll come to that in a second. Right, so let's say we're at the start. This is what you should be doing. Go diagnostics. Then obviously it's preloaded with all of the VAG vehicles. So we scroll through. When you come to VW though, just keep going. And you'll see a new screen opens. It's VW commercial vehicles and VW LT3. So for this one we're going to go VW commercial vehicle. Just give it a second while it loads up. We have got a check engine light on this vehicle, I'll show you that in a second. That relates to the it's an EGR issue. So as you can see, it's found the VIN number and now it's let us in. Alright, so we can go through, we can either select the whole vehicle to diagnose, or you can select the system individually. So we're just going to go engine electronics individually. It's going to communicate, we're going to go read fault code, and these are the fault codes that we're getting. So the exhaust gas recirculation, temperature sensor A, same again, sensor A circle low, and EGR cooler efficiency below threshold. So that's something for us to look at. We're not going to reset that right now. I mean, we could try and reset it, but I think the chances are it's a permanent fault. So we go clear fault memory. Okay, the check engine light has gone off, but it'll come back on. It says erase operation done. Go escape. Yeah, it's still got two faults there. So the check engine light will come on. That really depends on the vehicle. Sometimes it will go off and come back on when you're driving maybe 10 minutes down the road, or sometimes it'll come back on straight away, or maybe even next time you start the engine. Let's check. No, it stayed off. But yeah, there we go. So the VAWS version 3, I will pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. It is a fantastic tool, but you need to make sure you're selecting the correct menu option. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.